Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today we'll take a closer look at the older Parkside Impact driver B3 model and the newer C3 model. As you can see, there's a difference on the control panel down here. This is the newer one. The button is harder to press and it's harder to see which mode you're in. They're numbered from 1 to 4. On the older B3 model, you've got, instead of numbers from 1 to 4, you've got Newton meters, and they're much clearer to see, as well as the button is much easier to press. Another purely outside difference is that on the C3 model, you've got this logo here, a Bluetooth one, that shines blue when you connect it to the app. And on this one, the B3, you don't have that. Let's see what noise they make. RPM check, speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Weight with the 4 amp battery, C3, B3. And now, time for a wheel bolt test. 150 Newton meters. Adapter going from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch. I don't have any more impact adapters, so let's try out this one. Made by Parkside. Same 150 Newton meters. And going in for 200. There you go. First up, the C3. (200 Newton meters). Looks like B3 is the way to go. And so it seems that real-world tests yield real-world results, as you can see.